Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Borderlands 4 game on your PC or laptop. So first head over to the Steam website and click on sign in options you will see on the top and just create the Steam account. This is quite simple and easy. After you create the Steam account, click on install Steam you will see on the top. Now click on install Steam and download and install Steam on your PC or laptop. After that, open up the Steam, sign in your account, click on top search box and just type Borderlands 4. You'll find this game on the top, so just open it up. Now once the game page is open, you want to scroll down. You will see the option of add to cart. Click on it. Click on view my cart. Now simply go ahead and pay the amount for this game. After you pay the amount for this game, you will find this game in your library of Steam. Go on it. Find the game, click on install. That's how you can download and install Borderlands 4 game on your PC or laptop. If you find this guide useful, like it, and thanks for watching.